Thanks over to my friends at Skillshare for sponsoring this video. The first 500 people to click the first link in the description below will get 2 months of Skillshare Premium absolutely free. Hey, what's up guys? Aaron here from Break the Internet. Welcome back to another video today on the channel. Now, if you are an Instagram guru, Instagram expert, and you think you know everything about Instagram, then you can go ahead and click past this video. But if you're somebody that you're like, hey, I can maybe learn a thing or two about Instagram, then this is the video for you. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at 8 things that you probably didn't know about Instagram. You know, sometimes you really just wanna show off the new post that you just posted to your feed, but you have to screenshot it, then post it, maybe crop it down. It just seems like a hassle, right? So instead, go to that post, click the little airplane icon at the bottom, and click share to your story. What's cool is Instagram will actually use some of the colors that are in that picture and put it on the background to add a little bit more style to the post. When someone's watching it, they can just click the picture and be brought to your profile automatically. Another thing you can do is, let's just say you have an Instagram that you really want to promote, like a pretty girlfriend, for example. You can do the same thing for their post to advertise their Instagram by putting it on your Instagram stories. Super simple promo, right? Now, personally, I don't use any of the filters that come built in Instagram, but I know it could be annoying to scroll through all of them sometimes if you do that. So did you know that you can actually rearrange and even get rid of some of the ones that you will never use in your entire Instagram life? When it's time to choose a filter, swipe all the way to the right and click manage. Now you can move them around to where you want them, maybe some that you use more than others, you can put them in the top, and hide the ones that you know you'll never touch again. Within Instagram stories, we have so many options of the colors to draw with, but did you know that you can use any color that you wanted to and it might not be specifically on that palette? Simply click and hold on any of the colors and you'll see a color palette pop up. Scroll over any of the colors and lift your finger to choose it. Let's also say that you really love a certain color that's already in your picture that you took. Just click the little dropper tool and hover over that color that you want to choose from your photo. Kind of on the same topic is the easiest way to color your entire screen. You know when you're scrolling through Facebook sometimes and you see those kinds of posts? Instagram Stories has a few colors that you can choose from, but sometimes you just want to be a little bit more unique. Pick any of the colors that you want and then simply hold your finger on the screen for a quick second. No more picking a color and having to draw over the entire screen. Now, the only reason I say that is because yes, I have had to do that a few times in the past, and trust me, it is not a fast process. As you probably know, you can only upload 15-second increments to your Instagram story. But what if you edited some epic vlogs that you just need to have on your story? Download an app like Cut Story or Continual. These apps allow you to download your video at any length and it will cut into 15-second clips. At this point, just upload them in order to your story, and now you can watch it unfold on your Instagram story. We all have that one friend that parties way too much and feels like they need to share every single second of that on their stories. If you say no, you're lying, because we all have at least one of those. But did you know that you can just mute their stories? Find your party animal friend, click the dots at the top right, click mute, and mute stories. It's just that simple. This is my iPhone 10 with 64 gigs of space. Now by default, if you want to save everything after it disappears from your Instagram story, it will save to your camera roll. Now I've been in this situation many times where I've ran out of space because of that very reason. Now to fix this, Instagram has an archive feature where you can essentially save it to Instagram's cloud. To turn this on, go to Settings, Story Controls, and make sure that Save to Camera Roll is turned off and Save to Archive is turned on. Now, when something disappears from your story, just go to your profile, click the clock at the top right, and switch to the top to Stories. Now you have access to your Instagram story graveyard. All right, buckle up for this last one because it's gonna be quite the process. Now, I'm sure you've seen people with their fancy story highlights of their profiles with their food and workouts or their dog, blah, 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 you get it. So here's how to do it. Go to Google and type in blank logo. So for example, we're gonna be looking for a dumbbell for a workout. Now find the logo you want and screenshot it. Next, open up Instagram and click Send To. Click your story and also add the highlight. Create a name for it, we'll call this Workouts, and click Add. Now go back to your profile, click the highlight, click More, and click Edit Highlight. Now you can resize that logo by clicking Edit Cover, and boom, now you have one of those epic highlights. Now if you want to add more, all you need to do is rinse and repeat for all of your other highlight needs. All right guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video. 8 things you might have not known about Instagram. Now, if you like this kind of content on the channel, don't forget to leave a like. Also, tell me down in the comments below what you thought, and also subscribe so you'll never miss another upload here on the channel, because YouTube be, But we're not going to get into that. That's a whole new video. Of course, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. My name is Aaron, once again, from Break the Internet, your #1 stop shop for Instagram tips, tricks, updates, and everything you need to know about Instagram. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you next time.